Delete all cache and junk files in Windows PC. First, press Windows and click R. Type temp. Click Enter. Press Ctrl and A to select all junk files, then press Shift Delete. Second, press Windows and R. Type %temp%. Click Enter. Also delete all the files here. Third, press Windows and R. Type prefetch. Click Enter. Press Ctrl A to select all. Press Shift Delete to permanently delete all files. Your PC will now perform smoothly. Like and subscribe for more.